Why should you rotate your tires regularly? Rotating your tires means moving them to different positions on your car every few thousand miles so they wear down evenly, which helps them last longer, keeps your ride smoother, and keeps you safer on the road. Think of your tires like the soles of your shoes. If you always step the same way, one part of the sole wears out faster than the rest, and eventually your shoe gets wobbly and unsafe. Cars are the same way. The front tires usually wear differently than the back tires because of how the engine, steering, and braking put pressure on them. Front-wheel drive cars tend to wear out their front tires faster, since that is where most of the power and turning happens. By moving the tires around on a regular basis, every tire gets a turn in every position, so they all wear down at close to the same rate. Something a lot of people do not know is that uneven tire wear can actually mess with your car's alignment and even cause your fuel economy to drop, because the engine has to work harder to push around tires that are not making even contact with the road. Getting this done regularly, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, can help your tires last thousands of miles longer than they would otherwise. One common mistake people make is forgetting to rotate their tires at all because they simply do not think about it until something feels wrong. So a good tip is to get them rotated every time you get your oil changed, since that keeps you on a steady schedule without extra effort. Another thing people overlook is not checking tire pressure at the same time, and driving on tires with the wrong pressure speeds up uneven wear even after a fresh rotation, so always ask to have the pressure checked too. Lastly, some folks assume all 4 tires are identical, but front and rear tires can wear in different patterns depending on your car, so make sure whoever rotates them follows the pattern recommended for your specific vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.